Hi, good morning. Welcome back to my channel Everything Business by Sirisha Verma. WhatsApp has become a necessity for most of us. Most small business owners rely on WhatsApp to communicate with their customers and also stay connected. Businesses such as real estate and insurance primarily use WhatsApp to send messages regarding different products or regarding different ventures to their prospects. But if you look at WhatsApp, it is not easy to send bulk messages using the WhatsApp app that is right there on your phone. That is when we need something called as WhatsApp marketing. WhatsApp marketing generally uses software tools through which you could send bulk messages to people in your contacts list. In today's video, I'm going to show a demo of a tool using which you can send free messages of up to 100 per day to your contact list, and with the paid premium version of the tool you can send 500 messages per day. Apart from that, you will also be able to customize the message and also download contacts if you are part of a bigger group. Apart from that, you could also download reports regarding how many of these messages have been sent, whether they have been delivered, people have seen these messages or not. Using this tool, you could also send different attachments, including images and videos, to a larger crowd. So, let's get into the demo of this tool. So let's check out what this tool is and how we can use it to send multiple messages using WhatsApp. So the tool's name is called as WA messages. WA is the short form for WhatsApp. And when I search for WA messages, this is what I get. So just click on WA messages sender, which is the first search result. And once you click on it, you will go to the Chrome web store. So this tool is only available as an extension on your Chrome browser. You cannot use it on Firefox. So if you don't have Chrome, then please do download it before you can start using this tool. So once I click on this, just add to Chrome is what you have to click next. And once it has checked that your browser is compatible with this extension, you just click on add extension. Once the add extension is done, the extension is successfully added, and that is why it is showing in the toolbar. As you can see, once you put your cursor on this specific icon, which is WM, you will see that WA messages is successfully installed on your Chrome. Now, one more thing that you need to do is you could directly put your cursor on extensions. This is like the small plug and play thing that is available here. And once you click on extensions, you can directly see all the extensions that are available on your Chrome browser. Now, just go to WA messages, which is the new extension that you have just added. And there is a small pin icon just beside it. You have to click on pin. This will help make sure that even if you forget this specific tool's name, or if you forget that you have installed it, if you have pinned it onto your toolbar, it will be much more easier for you to use it in the future. So now if I just click on WA messages, which I have pinned, it will take me to this web WhatsApp. And using this web WhatsApp, I have to scan a QR code on my mobile device to link it to the laptop that I am currently using. So the way to do it is, of course, most of you might already know. Just open the WhatsApp because it is already open and I have already linked. It is directly showing it here. But if I remove the link, let me just show you how it is done as well. I just need to Yeah, so I have just removed the link, and now as you can see, this is the screen that it will show if you have not already linked your mobile device to your laptop. And once this comes on, go to the WhatsApp that is there on your mobile phone, go to the settings in the WhatsApp, And then there will be an option which is called as link a device, which will be a small button. Just click on link a device and it will ask you to scan the QR code. So once I scan the QR code, my WhatsApp on my mobile is directly linked to the WhatsApp on my laptop using this web WhatsApp feature. So these are all the groups that I'm part of in WhatsApp. Now, to access and send messages using this WA Messages tool, I have to click once again on WA Messages, and this is how the tool actually looks like. So with the free version, you can send 100 free messages, and this is per day. And if you look at all the other features, you have an upload Excel option. Of course, this is not available with the free option. You need to get a premium version of this tool to start using it. Using the upload Excel feature, what you can do is if you have multiple numbers, then you could just put them up in an Excel. And the format to do that is before each number, you have to add +91, which is India's country code. If you're sending this WhatsApp message to some other number which is available in some other country, then you have to use the country code of that specific number. And here, if you're directly inputting, you just have to add numbers with a comma. So you just put +91. I'm just randomly typing some numbers here, and then you put plus, and then again 91, and then you add the next number. So this is the format if you are manually doing it. Of course, if you are uploading in an Excel format, then all these numbers need to also contain the country code. So if it is Indian numbers, then you have to put +91, and you can directly upload that Excel sheet here. Filter numbers is an option that is available if you want to send set message to a set category of people, but other sort of message to other sort of people. So using filter numbers, what you could do is you could directly attach a template. As you can see, there is an option here, add template, that you could directly attach to the filter numbers. Of course, these two filter numbers and add template are also part of the premium version of this tool. They are not available in the free version. Download group is an important feature as well, because most of the times as a small business owner, probably you are part of so many WhatsApp groups. It could be a WhatsApp group for your alumni in the college. It could be a WhatsApp group wherein you are a member of a networking group. It could be a WhatsApp group wherein you are a member of an industrial group that you are part of. And sometimes if you would want to send messages to the other members in the group, but not in that specific group, you want to download their numbers, then with WhatsApp, it is not possible because you need to do a bit of coding. But with this tool, what you could do is you could highlight, for example, this is a group that I'm part of. So if I want to download the contacts of this group, I could just highlight this group and then click on download group. So it will download all the different numbers that are available in the group to my desktop directly, which I can use in the next batch to send messages. Apart from that, send attachments. As I already mentioned, you could send photos, you could send videos. Apart from that, you could also send your product catalogs using this message in a bulk format. Add option to unsubscribe is an important feature, and I definitely advise all of you to do this, because most of the times what happens is if you don't provide this feature, people don't know who you are and you just randomly send them a message. The chances that they would block you and report you would be higher. If many more people use the option of blocking and reporting you, then WhatsApp might also specifically ban your number. So rather than do that, if you give an option to unsubscribe, people are not interested in getting your messages, will directly unsubscribe. Of course, send personalized message makes this tool much more easier to use. It will create an instant wrapper. And in the select customization, you could use first name, you could use last name, you could use salutations as well. So, but again, this feature is not available with the free version. Add template is something that we have already discussed. It goes with filter numbers. So if you want to send a kind of message for a category of people, then you could definitely use add templates. Now you could just click on send message, and the numbers that you have inputted here, whatever message you have put in the message text box here, will go to them. Apart from that, the some other important features that I want you to keep in mind when you're sending these messages using this tool is time gap. Make sure you use this feature of using a time gap. So what happens is, most of the times, how does a server actually decide whether this is a bulk or spammy message is, once at the same time all the messages go from one specific server. So rather than that, that increases the chance of your number getting banned. So rather than doing that, you could use this feature of time gap, wherein from one message to one number to the next message to next number, there is generally a number of a small time gap that you could actually include here. At this point of time, it says 3 seconds, but you could use anywhere from 5 to 7 seconds as well. So from message reaching from one number to the next number, it will take 5 to 7 seconds before the message can be delivered. Of course, batching is also a very important factor here. If you are sending messages to people that you don't know about, you have bought a database from the market, which of course we generally don't suggest. But if you have to send messages to people whom you don't know, or you bought a database from the market and you're sending messages, then use the option of batching and time gap. This will make sure that your number is not banned by the servers. Batching is you if you're sending 3,000 messages at any point of time, you could batch those in probably processes of 100 at once, or 500 at once. So the batch is divided into 6 number of batches. So if you're sending 3,000 numbers, then if you're batching it in 500, then 6 times the server will run to send messages. And using the time gap, you can also make sure that in that 500 batch, the message from one number to another number takes a gap of at least 5 to 7 seconds, thereby increasing your chances of not getting banned on WhatsApp. So this is what the free tool has to offer. Now let us also look at what the premium options are available as. So if you click on buy premium, it opens a new window, and as you can see, there are 2 different plans, one for the international market as well as one for Indian market. So if we slide it towards the Indian market, these are the different rates that are available. If you are a solopreneur and if you're sending at least 500 messages per day, then this plan is optimal for you. You will be charged 1,000 rupees per month. And as you can see, number of ports is how many numbers you will be sending the WhatsApp message to. So this will help with only one number, because it will directly connect and it will remember that number. It will not allow you to send messages from any other number. Here, as you can see, for 4,000 rupees, for 3,500 rupees, you can send 2,500 messages per day using WhatsApp, and you can use 5 different numbers. So from 5 different phone numbers, you could send messages to. And here, just for 10,000 rupees, you could send 10,000 messages per day. That is 1 rupee per message per day. And the number of phone numbers that you could use here is 20. Of course, the branding of this tool will be removed when the messages are sent. Personalized messages, images, add time delay, unsubscribe options, video, file attachments, download group contacts. All of these options are available in all of the three plans, and the lowest starting at 1,000 rupees per month. So this is the tool that I wanted to discuss for today. I hope you found this content interesting. If you want to see many more tools that you can use in your small business, then please do subscribe to my channel and smash that like button. I'll see you again in my next video. This is Sirisha Verma, founder, chief strategist at Branding by Pixels, a business strategy, design, and digital marketing company coming live to you from India. If you are an Indian, I wish you a very happy Republic Day. I'll see you again in my next video. Please do take care. Bye-bye.